signs say over there?
Where?
Like I can't see it. Straight ahead with the blue canopies.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably a jet ski place or something.
Yeah, I think those are some of those party clubs.